Hello and good evening everybody. I am Yogesh Sapkale, Deputy Editor of Money Life. We are indeed proud to celebrate Money Life Foundation's 3rd anniversary with today's special program. May I now invite on stage Mr. Vinod Rai, the Controller and Auditor General, the CAG of India, Mr. Debashish Basu, Editor and Publisher of Money Life, as well as Founder Trustee of Money Life Foundation, and Ms. Sucheta Dalal, Managing Editor of Money Life and Founder Trustee of Money Life Foundation. Thank you. Thank you, sir and madam. Before proceeding further, I request my colleague and Money Life's consulting editor, Vinita Deshmukh, to greet Mr. Rai with a bouquet of flowers. Thanks, Vinita. Bank Unions also wants to greet Mr. Rai. I request Mr. Vishwas Udgi from All India Bank Employees Union to present a bouquet of flowers to Mr. Rai. Thank you, Mr. Udgi. Today's program is simple. Ms. Dalal will share some moments of Money Life Foundation's journey. After that, Mr. Basu will introduce CAG Vinod Rai, whom we are all eagerly waiting to hear. Following this, Mr. Rai will respond to a few questions. I would request you to please write down your questions and hand it over to the volunteers. Money Life wanted to put the reader first and provide unbiased information on savings without easy compromises. Ms. Dalal, who is among the best known financial journalists in India, is the managing editor of Money Life. Her 28 years of outstanding investigative reporting spanning the Harshad Mehta scam, C.R. Bhansali scam, expose of Enron and numerous corporate mischiefs appeared in the Times of India and the Indian Express groups. She has worked with several SEBI committees and the Investor Education and Protection Fund. Based on her investigative journalism spanning over 2 decades, she was awarded the Padma Shri in 2006. Debashish Basu, a chartered accountant by qualification with 25 years of experience as a journalist and the author of several business books, is the editor and publisher of Money Life. He has worked with the Times of India and the Express Group, as well as Business World, Business India, and Business Today. His columns appear in Business Standard. Mr. Basu has served as a member of SEBI's Mutual Fund Advisory Committee. While Money Life magazine offered unbiased information that benefits savers, we found that this is not enough. A lot more needs to be done in terms of financial literacy, grievance redressal, and advocacy if we, the tax-saving people, had to get a fair deal. It is with this in mind, Money Life Foundation was started by Sucheta Dalal and Debashish Basu. Membership to Money Life Foundation is completely free with no hidden riders. The membership is growing, and as of today, Money Life Foundation has about 21,000 members. There were 92 speakers who enriched 57,500 attendees through our seminars, workshops, and events since our launch. In the past 3 years, Money Life Foundation has conducted 153 seminars, including the flagship one, How to be Safe and Smart with Your Money. We have also held seminars on the union budget, insurance, mutual funds, how to deal with mis-selling by banks, credit bureaus and credit scores, RTI, investments, savings, financial scams, pensions, wills and nominations, M-commerce, real estate, credit cards, and tax returns. Your envelopes have a free membership form of Money Life Foundation. If you wish to receive updates about our future events and activities, please do fill up these forms. There is also a feedback form in your kit. By filling up the form, you can help us enrich our initiatives. If you would like to contribute to help the foundation spread financial literacy, there is a donation form in your kit as well. Donations to Money Life Foundation are eligible for tax benefits under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act. May I now invite Sucheta Dalal, Founder Trustee of Money Life Foundation, to share with you a few highlights from our journey so far, especially the very eventful 2012.